Ambuluwawa Tower is located in the suburbs of Gampola town, in Sri Lanka. There has been an increased popularity in recent times, especially due to the breathtaking views you can experience when you climb to the top of the Ambuluwawa Tower. It is also known for its narrow spiral staircase, which some visitors find challenging to climb. It is one of the coolest places to visit in Sri Lanka. If you are up for the challenge, Ambuluwawa Mountain Peak has a height of 3,567 feet above sea level. It is located over 1,000 feet above from the Gampola town. The tower is located on the summit of the mountain peak, since there are no other mountains in the surrounding area. And due to its unique location, Ambuluwawa Tower gets an undisturbed view from far away. And vice versa, the tower is visible from Gampola train station. Subscribe our channel to know about these beautiful places in Sri Lanka.